Hey Fit Fam, welcome to episode 6 of our 5-minute meal preps. So being that it's summertime, we all have cookouts that we're going to or we're hosting. So this week we're going to focus on how to utilize those leftover cookout foods for our meal prep. This week we're going to do cheeseburger salad. So as you guys know, I am a pescatarian. So my burger is an Impossible Burger. You can use a Beyond Burger, whatever type of burger that you prefer. I also have a spring mix. I have red onion. I roughly chop tomatoes and some Colby Jack shredded cheese, and also a few sandwich pickles. It is important to measure out your cheese as it is a fat, so we want to use in moderation. So for my initial salad, I used a 1/4 cup to measure out the shredded Colby Jack cheese. I only had a few pickles left, so the initial salad is going to have about 4 pickles, and then I just distributed the tomatoes and the onions. I also had one veggie burger left from the cookout, so for the sake of the video, I'm going to just complete that one salad. So all the great little grill marks that comes with a grilled burger, I'm going to roughly chop that up and kind of place it in the corner over there, and voila, we have a cheeseburger salad with all the things that you will find on your traditional cheeseburger. You have your hamburger pickles, your cheese, tomatoes, red onions. Now, as far as your salad dressing, that is totally up to you. I chose to use a pre-made vinaigrette, but of course, you guys can use the special sauce, which you can make or you can buy off of the shelf. As I introduced in my previous videos, those measuring containers, the orange one is for salad dressing and seeds. Please make sure you guys check out the link in the comments or in my description for how to purchase those from Amazon. And there you have it, you guys. It's probably the quickest, shortest, less than 5-minute meal prep that you can make utilizing your cookout leftovers and getting to have some of those grilled items throughout your week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Have an amazing week.